Hello everyone, I'm Mark Ian Antonio, your today's speaker. So today, we're gonna talk about population growth and projections. But before that, let's determine first what is population growth and projections. According to Encyclopedia, population growth refers to change in the size of a population, and projection is an estimate of a future situation based on a study of a present ones. So now let's move on. Did you know that the UN or United Nations has estimated the number of our population in the next 30 years? And according to them, in year 2050, the number of our population can reach up to 9.7 billion and could peak at nearly 11 billion by year 2100. Now, this is the population projection by UN. In the left, we see the numbers of population by billions. And at the bottom, we see the year that the UN expects their study to happen. We can see in the chart the increase in the number of our population, and by the year 2100, the UN expects almost 8 billion population in low projection, 11 billion in middle projection, and 16 billion in high projection. Someone says, what is the effect of population growth on us? It has a big effect to us, especially to the biodiversity, because the more the population, the more we demand for food, water, housing, energy, healthcare, transportation, and many more. The rapid population growth can also affect on increased poverty. The UN also announced the fastest growing population is the continent of Africa because Africa has the highest rate of population growth among major areas. The UN also expect that there are some countries that their population decrease by at least 15% by year 2050, and these are Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Hungary, Japan, Latvia, Lithuania, Republic of Moldova, Romania, Serbia, and Ukraine. Now, we're going to the 10 countries that has the most number of population, and these are: number 1 is China with 1,397,897,720 populations. Number 2 is India with 1,339,330,514 populations. Number 3 is United States with 332,475,723 populations. Number 4 is Indonesia with 275,122,131 populations. Number 5 is Pakistan with 238,181,034 populations. Number 6 is Nigeria with 219,463,862 populations. Number 7 is Brazil with 213,445,417 populations. Number 8 is Bangladesh with 164,098,818 populations. Number 9 is Russia with 142,320,790 populations. And lastly, number 10 is Mexico with 130,207,371 populations. This information is according to US Census. And now we're here at the last, which is the solution for population growth. According to Population Matters, there is a solution to slow the growth of our population. And this is family planning program. The family planning program has content to solve the problem in population growth. Number 1. Empowering women and girls. This is where the women and girls has the power to choose to their bodies and lives. Number 2 is removing barriers to contraceptions. This is where the couples who want to avoid pregnancy can easily access contraceptions without any reason. Number 3 is quality education for all. All child must receive good quality of education because there are some countries that the woman has no education. Number 4 is global justice and sustainable economies. All people has the equal access to healthcare and have a better economic opportunities. And lastly, number 5, exercising the choice. We should always remember how important our choice. So that's all. I hope you understand the population growth and projections. Thank you for watching and listening.